just cannot let anything stop you. Uh, One of my challenges has been script writing, and the challenges I face with not only making a script, coming up with ideas, but a little bit of dyslexia. And I've never been a reader in my life, and trying to get things in order so as that they make sense sometimes is a struggle. Now, if you're out to make a YouTube channel, this is a big obstacle you have to face. And then when you have a 40-hour-a-week job and a bunch of obligations at home, you may find yourself in a situation where just making a video every day is a big challenge. I'm right there with you. Along with learning how to edit and getting the right gear together. Luckily these days you don't really need anything more than just a phone. I like having a microphone. So what I'm trying to get at is, with as many shortcomings as I've had and setbacks and workarounds, I'm sure that you're plenty capable of making a video and starting your own YouTube channel. Leave a comment down below and let me know what channel you've started and how many videos you've made and what obstacles you've fought through. If I can do this, I know you can, and if you haven't gotten started, well, right now is a good time to get started. It's hard to get started, but you can do it. Don't worry about all the gear. Don't worry about the fancy studio. Look at me. I'm in a backyard with a bunch of pallets. I have a studio in the shop, but it's just not as fun in there. So you got to have a lot of fun when you are making your YouTube videos. And all this is just getting started. So hope to see you in the next video. To like and subscribe too.
To find the truth.